Hi everyone, kumusta mo tanan? My name is Xerxes and I am a certified essential oil specialist here in Cebu, Philippines, and I'm currently enrolled with my certification for level 1 aromatherapy with Aromahead Institute. Now, as promised, I'll be showing to you how I create a personal inhaler for a friend who actually asked help from me, because he is having some anxiety issues, and I would like to help him in that regard. So I'll be doing a inhaler. Okay, this is a personalized inhaler for that person. So I got all his details, including his medical checkup, including the medications that he took, and other things, his age and other personal information. So that would allow me to create this specific blend for that person who is actually having some anxiety issues, okay, or who has like anxious feelings at all, and it might be about stress too. So I will help him cope up with it. Okay, so I have here a inhaler, so let's just open this. It comes with a wick. Okay, so I'm wearing gloves in here because I'm doing this inhaler for someone. So you just put it here. Let's open it. Okay, so it's a glass. Okay, I'm gonna open it. So I actually made a pre-made blend already because I want to synergize the oils for about 24 hours. I just want them to mix well together. So I have here created already, this is a 2 ml bottle, and I have already mixed all the essential oils that I need for that specific purpose. So I will just show you or introduce you the oils that I've used. I made this yesterday, so it's already around 24 hours, so they are completely synergized. So I will directly add it to the wick. Okay, so what's in here is actually I have frankincense. Okay, I have frankincense. It's very sedating, it's very grounding, so it's perfect for this person to really relax and be grounded, and it's also sedating, so if he needs to sleep, then this is also good. I have Ilang because based on the interview, he's actually drawn to Ilang, and it has also sedating properties and other helpful properties as well for those who are having anxious feelings and also want to cope with stress. So Ilang, and he likes Ilang, so perfect. I'm gonna use this for an aromatic blend, because what I'm doing right now is both aromatic and therapeutic blend. So this is good. Of course, lavender is really very sedating, and it could calm, it could relax your mind. All right, so this is widely used, is very common, and of course, upon the assessment, he is also not allergic to lavender and whatever constituent that it has in here, so it's safe to use for this specific person. And of course, I have also chamomile in here. Roman chamomile, it's also known for its sedating qualities. It's also very calming and relaxing, and the smell is also floral, and it's also perfect for some aromatic kind of blend, and I guess these would mix well together. And I just have added chamomile, and of course bergamot. Bergamot is like a citrus oil, but it's not really that kind of overpowering. It's also perfect for, to give you that kind of vibe, and for those who are having an anxious feeling, then bergamot added to the mix is also good. Now I'm now ready, guys. I have a tweezer in here. So what I'm gonna do is I will open this blend that I have already made yesterday. So the reason why that I pre-made it, because I want the oils to synergize, alright, to mix well together amongst themselves. So I have a tweezer in here, and I will slowly pour this blend So I hope that you could see it. Just move it here. Right, so I'm gonna pour it here. Pour it all over. Okay, so you can see. Smells so good. And I want to get all that drip oil too. Okay, so here it is, and I'm gonna put it here on the glass container slowly, like that, and gonna push it. Okay, and let's put these metal cover. It's got holes in it, if you can see. Alright, secure it, then put it into its container too, and then secure it. Alright, then put the cover on. It smells so good already. Alright, so this goes to my friend who actually needs this blend. It's a personal inhaler for this person, specific for his needs, and I hope that this would help him a lot with the oils that I've blended for this specific use. So there you go, guys. I hope that you like this video. So please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, this channel, and again, feel free to click that bell notification button so in case I have new videos you get notified. And I'll be posting the link down below in here so you could refer it, and especially the auto dilution calculator that I have just created. That is a perfect guide for all of us, and it makes life easier too. So just refer to the dilution link calculator down below. And I think that's it, guys. Once again, thanks for watching, and all together, let's get oily. Goodbye.